Hello and welcome to this Aspen of Hereford video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the TSA combination lock that comes on an Eastpak transitor case. The first thing you need to do is get something blunt. Cocktail stick is ideal. Check that the code is on 000 as this is what it's set to from the factory. Locate the little push button pin here, and the next thing you need to do is release the two case catches, otherwise you can't set the lock. Then you take your blunt instrument, press this until it clicks, then change the combination to whatever you want it to be, and to lock that combination in place you reinsert the case clips and when you do that the little button pops out and now you have a new combination set.